Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. Hope we've slept and woke up in peace. Glory be to Almighty God for that. So today is Friday, 20th of May, 2022. So I want to have a taste. I want to test Cotp to see if it is really working today. So this is still morning. So I want to check if the platform has started working normally. So let's try and see if they will send us code this morning. Yes. Okay. So let's go. They've come to withdraw. We've come to withdraw. So let's try to see if the code will come. So we are on the withdrawal tab. Let's click on withdrawal. But first of all, let's check if there is any new message from Cotp. Let's check the customer service. Okay, there is no new message. They are still sending the old message. So they are still seeing the old message. So let's try to withdraw and see if it will work. So you are on withdrawal tab now. Let's go to withdrawal now. So I've clicked on withdraw. No need of entering amount. Let's just check if we will get the code. So let me send and see if they will send me the code. Today is Friday. The date they promised to send us code. The day they promised us that the platform is going to be restored. So I have requested for code. The countdown has begun. So let's try and see if the code will come. Yes. The countdown is counting. It's now 70. We are still yet to receive the code. 59. And the code has not come yet. 48. We are still waiting for the code. 37, 35, 32, 30. The code is not yet here. I don't really know. Or is it too early to try now because it's still early in the morning today? It's still too early. The time is 4:27. So should I assume that it's still early to try? The time has exhausted and the code did not come. Let's just assume that the time is too early to try for the code. Let me just assume that. So what we'll do is that we'll have to still wait maybe till evening or till night. If by end of Friday, which is today, and the code did not come and the platform did not rectify everything, I don't know if we are going to lose hope entirely. But we are not praying for that. We are praying that before the end of the today, the code will everything will be resolved. Let me just assume that I tried very early because I'm in a haste. I did not even sleep today. I've been waiting to see if customer care will send a new message to us to tell us that everything has started working, but I had not received any message. Then I woke up this morning. I said, let me try and see if the platform has started working. But unfortunately, they have not started working. Maybe it's because I tried very early. So what will happen is that we will still try again, maybe afternoon time or evening time. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to Luzero Media. God bless you and have a nice day ahead.